Hey guys, Protaku82, back once again for another unboxing video. Boy, it seems like I'm doing these kind of videos almost every day. I only got like one package today, so let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the complete collection re-release of Figure 17. This is from Media Blasters / Anime Works. And this also just went out of print recently. I heard it's a pretty good series. Definitely look forward to checking it out. See if I can open this. It's in one of those light box like cases. There is can't tell which number these discs are. They're like scattered all over the place. I'll have to... Yeah, they don't have disc numbers on them. So yeah, I heard this is a pretty good series. So I'm definitely looking forward to check it out sometime. Anyways, this is a rather short but sweet unboxing video. So, thank you so much guys for watching it. This is Protaku82. Take care, and I'll see you guys later.